Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am MA in Public Administration and have also completed my B.Ed degree. I have given 2 attempts of UPSC CSC, have 3+ years of preparation experience. I have reached interview in 2022. I have took a gap in 2023 due to some personal reasons, but we will come back stronger in 2024. But the main thing is not alone, with you guys. I have took coaching from old Rajendra Nagar. I will not mention the name of coaching center. That was not beneficiary at all. So I am here to save your time and lakhs of rupees. So let's start. These key points will be discussed in this video. GS subjects, current affairs, optional, test series, revision and answer writing. First is GS subjects. This is divided in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. First we will discuss part 1. Date is 1st October 2023 to 31st January 2024. There are 4 subjects: polity, economics, history, geography. How to do it? Either take one subject in 1 month or take 2 subjects combined for 2 months if you get bored by one subject. But don't stretch it more than this. How and what is to be done? Study these 4 subjects for both prelims and mains. That means if you are studying polity in October month, then cover it for both prelims also and mains also. That is, you have to study NCERT, M. Lakshmikant and do your answer writing. Same with all the rest 3 subjects. Second point, revision is must. Revision is must. It is very important. It is to be done in 3 types. Daily, that is half hour for what you have studied yesterday, you have to revise it today. Weekly, devote a half day on Sunday for complete revision of a week. Monthly, you will give your last 3 days of a month to revise whatever you have studied in your previous month. Give subject-wise test every Sunday. This will tell you what are your weaknesses on which you have to work and what are your positive points and what are your strengths. The next topic is current affairs. Current affairs consist of 3 things: newspapers, PIB and magazines like Yojana plus Kurukshetra. First, let's move to newspaper. You don't have to give more than 40 to 50 minutes or let's say 1 hour, but not more than that. Don't make notes of newspaper daily. Second is PIB. You don't have to read it separately. Choose a monthly magazine which covers it. I will suggest Vision Ias. This is a monthly magazine which I will suggest. Third is Yojana plus Kurukshetra. It is important for mains answer writing. No need to read it full. Do only summary. You don't have to read it complete to write good answers. You can only read it summary. That is more than enough. The next point is optional. Optional is to be covered from 1 October itself. You have to study it 4 days a week till 28th February. And 5th day of that week will be to revise whatever you have studied in previous 4 days. You don't have to study optional on Saturday and Sunday. Next is test series. 1 full length test every Sunday. It will tell you where you are standing. Analysis is must. Without analysis, FLT is waste. Next point is answer writing. Write 1 answer each of GS paper 1 to 4 every day from Monday to Saturday. 1 answer in starting 2 months is sufficient. After that, you can do 2 answers per paper. Now we will talk about GS subjects part 2. That is the remaining subjects which are not covered till now. In the month of February, you have to cover ethics along with social issues of GS paper 1, social justice of GS paper 2, social development of GS paper 3. Why? Because all 4 of these are interrelated. In the month of March, you have to cover environment plus science and tech. Because these are small subjects, syllabus is not much and they are current oriented. Why in March? These are dynamic subjects plus these are current oriented subjects, so it will be easy to recall in prelims for you. The months of April and May are only to be kept prelims focused. No need to study for mains, not at all. What you have to do in these 2 months? One day FLT, that is full length test. Next day it's analysis plus revision is to be done daily. Daily in these 2 months. Don't touch any new topic. This will confuse you. Whatever is done, just revise and give a FLT. Analyze it, revise, FLT. Next is test analysis will brush up your notes. How? If you study anything new in your test solutions, just add it to your notes. Next is CSET. Analyze previous year question on weekends plus find topics you are good at, because we have not to score out of out. We just need passing marks, that is 67 out of 200. After finding these topics which you are good at, brush them up, revise them, then move to weak topics. Take a quick view on YouTube videos to learn more about these topics. Practice tests 1 per week and it will make you more than practice tests 1 per week and it will make you more above than your passing marks. That will be more than sufficient. What are the special takeaways from this video? Reduce your social media time. I'm not saying to stop it, but make it as less as possible. Increase study hours. Without increasing your study hours, you won't be able to cover whatever your syllabus is. Syllabus is directly proportional to your study hours. And the very important, revision is must. All the best. For more such videos, follow UPSC Helping Hand. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, press like button. Thank you. For that you can contact us on Telegram. Username is IAM140899. Study material will be provided in PDF form along with test series for prelims. And also answer writing practice is included.